Hello, welcome to my channel. It's just here. Today I'm going to talk about my new cloth diaper or nappy setup that I bought for my son. I think this is way better than having everything in the drawers. Easy to access, easy to store, and easy to keep organized. So this is the idea I came up with. I got this from Ikea, this called Algot system, so you can pretty much do whatever you want with it. And I had some of the pieces from before, and I got some more other bits that I need for this system to work, and I'm going to show you what I've wear. So here I have my wipe solution. Is only water with the coconut oil and a little bit of shower gel, and then the wipes and toothbrush to keep my son busy while I'm changing him, if allows me. Then on this basket I have some cover and pockets. I have here what's it one called, buttons and Milovia, and I have liners. On the top basket I have changing pads, and then some other stuff, bibs and things like that. And here is where I actually change my son. It works really well, I think. And then here is the bag where I put all the clothes there my son goes to the childminder or daycare, whatever you want to call it. And then this is how I organize everything. From the top shelf I have wanderers, then I have happy flutes, thought spots, then thought spots cover, and then Ayo thought spots, the both these thought spots. This is the cover, is called Peanuts, I think. And then I have Milovia. This is Milovia, and then all of these are close parents popping. And then over here I have flour sack towels, and then I have some covers. These are bigger covers that I use overnight, and this is these are Banana covers. And then here I have Bami's cover with it comes with these inserts to snap in. And then I have this is I don't remember it's a China chip cloth. And then this is another Pop and Grow, and then Elf diaper. All these China chip is fitted. And then I have here two Mio Ayo, these two white ones. And over here I have Milovia, and then I have these pockets, just a basic China shape like Alpha Babes, and then another Thought Spots Milovia pocket. These two are pockets. These are only one pocket cover. And then I have another pop-in close parents bamboo of nappy. And then I have this Thought Spots birthday print. I think it is the version 4, which I find better than this version over there. This is just a fitted. And then here I have some covers. I think sometimes we think people think that branded name cloth are better than the China chips ones, but let me show you. I think this is Romper Rose cover. It's really good cover, but with the Romper Rose, if you get the Velcro style for one size, it's not going to be good because the Velcro does run out really quickly, which is not good. And I found this both quality very similar. This is a China chip. This is called Early Infant. I found the quality very similar. There's not much difference for me. Only the flaps here in the front and the back. So I have this. Start with the one by Minomio microfiber, and then imagine bamboo flat, stretchy flat on this. My son is a super heavyweighter, so that's why I have to choose the I get the right combination for him, otherwise it doesn't work. So I'm trying to, probably I'm going to sell the cloth there on the first and the second top shelves, because especially the top spots, I don't like it pretty much. I found out they are like covers and flats and all things like that, but I don't like these flats. They don't work for me. My son is a heavyweight at these ones. Flower sack towels, I mean. That's it. So this is my new cloth diaper setup. They are workout for my son and for me as well, because that's the I find this easier to change him and to organize things. This is really stable, I think, really sturdy. I have the ones I show you. This is what I take for the childminder. I take pockets. That's what I was advised to take. Since I'm going to sell the ones on the top, so I'm going to be I'm going to have less. So I'm going to take my pockets, the China chip ones. They work well. But my favorite moments are this cover buttons. This is the big size, the biggest size they have. They have two layers of PL, and then there's another layer, you know, on the inside where the snaps are, and then this other layer to cover all the inside, which is, I find really good. I use this mainly for my son overnight. He works really well. On daytime as well, they work fantastic. And that's everything that I wanted to show you. This is my setup. I'm going to detach some of these, probably maybe buy new ones, different brands that I like. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the contents of my videos. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.